obviously by taking down your measurement. Now let's go ahead and build our diode forward bias circuit so we can get our VI characteristics plotted. So the first thing we need is obviously the voltage source. So I'm going to go ahead and take the voltage source. Then we also need a resistance. We already explained the reason why we need a series resistance in the circuit. Okay, then we need to pick up our diode, the subject here that we are analyzing, and we need the ground reference for our circuit. Then you can go ahead and link up your circuit, connect it up to allow the current to flow. I can delete it now because I don't need it anymore. Now I'm going to come on my X axis. Okay, now on the X axis here, I want the difference between the voltage source and the voltage drop across the resistance. Okay, so I'm going to come here and paste the voltage that I measure across the source minus this voltage here, okay, which is a voltage across this R1. So that is V, capital V, node 001, comma, node 002, close bracket. Okay, now we've got a full sweep. And now we want to display the current on the y-axis. So I'm going to go ahead and measure the current.